What would I be if I smoked weed? I'm Karina Diaz and I'm 13. In my future, I don't want to be in the corners asking for food, money, or even at home. Can't get a job, all cause of what? I guess marijuana. Me's friends, my family, me mom, they'll love me. But if they would see me with marijuana, they'll slap me. Man, I don't want to be a loser. I mean, a champion is way better than that, a loser. Don't want to be under a tree with my supposedly homies, smoking weed, making dreams that can become true. So, the golpe doesn't hurt, but how they see you, how they look at you, or even what they say to you. That hurts. I want to be a singer, want to be my future. I want to be what I want to be. Drugs don't make you look cool, they just make you look bad, horrible, however you want to take it, but not cool. You lose almost everything that you love. Even some of your friends, homies, family members, whatever, they might tell you that they are always going to be there for you and with you. But when they see you under a tree, behind a trash can, smoking weed, they don't even want to look at what you have turned. I don't want to be like that. What are you going to do with your future?